In 2026, your Android phone needs these must-have apps. Here are the top 5 useful Android apps you should try right now, packed with powerful features to make your daily life faster, easier, and smarter. At number 5, we've got Blip File Transfer, rated 4.5 stars with over 2K reviews and 1 million plus installs. This app lets you send files instantly across Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac all in one place. And here's the game changer. There are no size limits at all. You can send huge videos, high quality photos, or full folders without compression. Even better, Blip transfers files directly between devices, meaning no messy uploads, no waiting for downloads, and no cloud storage needed. Just connect and send. It also works whether the other device is next to you or across the world, making it super flexible for both personal and professional use. This is why users love it. Because it keeps your files in original quality, fast and hassle-free. Perfect for creators, students, or anyone tired of losing time on slow sharing apps. Number 4, we've got Bitwarden Password Manager, rated 4.8 out of 5 with over 152K reviews and 5 million plus installs worldwide. Key features: this isn't just a password app, it's a full security vault for your digital life. Bitwarden lets you create and store ultra-strong, unique passwords for every single account you own. Everything is locked behind end-to-end encryption using AES 256, so only you can access it, no one else. Not even Bitwarden. It also supports passkeys, meaning you can log in without even typing a password on supported sites. Plus, it syncs seamlessly across all your devices, phone, laptop, browser, completely unlimited. Need extra protection? It includes advanced 2FA options like authenticator apps, email codes, and even hardware security keys. What really makes Bitwarden stand out is trust and freedom, no ads, no data selling, and even a powerful free plan. You also get tools like a built-in password generator, secure sharing with Bitwarden Send, and regular third-party security audits for maximum transparency. Now, number 3, this might just be the app that replaces everything on your phone. What if I told you there's one workspace where your notes, tasks, projects, and even AI help all live together in one place? Meet Notion. Rated 4.6 stars with over 360K reviews and downloaded by more than 10 million users worldwide. This isn't just a notes app. It's a full productivity system built around how you actually think and work. Inside Notion, you can create clean, organized notes for school, work, or personal life. But it doesn't stop there. You can build to-do lists, track projects, and even manage entire team workflows without switching apps every 5 minutes. The real game changer is Notion AI. You can ask it to summarize meeting notes, generate ideas, or instantly turn messy information into structured, usable data. It's like having a smart assistant built right into your workspace. And the best part? Everything is customizable. Whether you like simple checklists or advanced dashboards with databases, Notion adapts to you, not the other way around. That's why students use it for class notes, creators use it for content planning, and companies use it to run entire projects in one system. So if your phone is full of separate apps for notes, tasks, and planning, this might be your sign to simplify everything. The number 2. This app is secretly behind almost every viral video you see online right now. I'm talking about CapCut photo and video editor, rated 4.3 stars with over 1 billion installs and more than 12 million reviews worldwide. Now here's why everyone from beginners to full-time creators is obsessed with it. CapCut makes video editing insanely simple, but still powerful enough for pro-level content. You can trim, cut, merge, and speed up clips from super slow motion at 0.1x all the way to ultra-fast 100x. Want cinematic vibes? Use keyframe animation, smooth slow motion, and stabilization to make shaky clips look like Hollywood shots. And this is where it gets crazy. Auto captions instantly turn speech into subtitles. Background removal deletes anything behind you with one tap. Motion tracking follows objects like magic. And text to speech lets you turn words into natural voiceovers in seconds. Plus, you get hundreds of trending effects, viral filters, glitch styles, 3D transitions, and a massive music library to match any mood. Even better, you can export in 4K at 60 FPS, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or Facebook. That's why CapCut isn't just an editor, it's basically a full content creation studio in your pocket. At number 1, we've got ChatGPT, rated 4.5 stars with over 47 million reviews and more than 1 billion installs worldwide. Key features. This isn't just a chatbot, it's your all-in-one AI assistant. You can generate images just by describing them in words or even transform existing photos in seconds. Need help on the go? The advanced voice mode lets you actually talk to it like a real person, perfect for quick answers or learning something new. You can upload pictures too, like handwritten notes, recipes, or even landmarks, and instantly get explanations. From writing essays and business plans to creating birthday ideas or travel itineraries, it handles it all. It even gives instant answers when you're stuck with random questions or need quick solutions. That's why millions are using it daily. It saves time, boosts creativity, and helps you learn or work smarter, not harder. That's the top 5 Android apps for 2026. Which one will you try first? Comment below, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe.